Hey kids, so today we are going to learn how to add a sound effect to your Scratch program. This is a basic Scratch program that I have created. I have a backdrop of beach. I have a sun. I have a girl. I have coded the girl. Let's see. To say a few dialogues like hi, I'm Abby. I love the beaches. Now, after she says that I love the beaches, I want to add a sound effect. Okay, so let's see how to do it. First, we'll have to go in the sounds library and search for the perfect sound that we want. So click on sounds tab. From here, you can open the sounds library. Okay, so many sounds are there, right? It's a trump, afro string, it's alert, it's alien creek. So many different sounds are there. Amazing. Crickets. Okay. So now in such a long list, how to search a song? So search a common word. So I'll search. Let's click on this and we can adjust this sound. We can make it slower. We can make it louder. We can make it softer. We can mute it. Oops, we muted it. We can fade in. We can fade out. Okay. We can make it reverse also. Okay, let's undo now everything. Okay, so these are the changes that we can do. Okay, these are the changes that we can do to our sound. Okay, now suppose, okay, so how to add this sound on in our program. So let's go back to code, and over here in the sounds block, we need to first click on the sprite. Okay, then in the sounds block, we have play sound until done. Okay, and we will put it under save block. Over here we have two options. Select the ocean wave one and let's see how our program sounds now. I am Abby. I love the beaches and sound. Perfect. So this is how we add a sound to a Scratch program. I hope you loved it. Try doing your own program and share it with us.